G'day everyone, it's the Hailfire Droid from the 30th anniversary collection. Well, that's some time ago now. The whole range back in that year was fantastic. There were so many in packs like this. Let's get it out. This should be fun. Should be. Did I give you a good look at the back? Just make sure I give a good look before I toss it beside me. Oh, that's a good shot of a super battle droid. Apparently these are surface-to-air missiles, and that's what these vehicles are for. Because, I always thought they were trying to get clone troopers on the ground, but I think they're looking for those pesky Republic gunships. Enough about the box. What's inside? Probably worth a good look, that thing. But not now. Let's get into this. Apparently this is a repaint of the 2003 version, so this is 2007. Oh, wow. Nightmare. Sticky tape covering it all as well. Oh no. I guess you can just fast forward, but I've got to actually do this. Interesting viewing. Gee, what's the talk about? What's that new Star Wars thing? Haven't watched it yet. On Disney. I'm thinking maybe I'll get to it over the Christmas break. It's good to look at those figures in the store not knowing anything about the characters, just judging the figures by looking at them. Yes, I think it's Jackie. I really like the look of the paintwork on her face, especially the makeup. This one. Success. Okay, making progress. This is quite a chore. That's what that noise is. This thing's falling off. Okay. Wow, that's a few missiles. Fill those up. Okay, so this is more of a getting into more of the fun part of the build. Inside, no doubt they taste like this. Don't move too well. building it. So I guess it's the ones at top that fire, and the ones at the bottom are just for storage. Oops. Yeah, okay, that's how they fire. You just gotta like tap them. Okay, I'm not gonna really bother. I don't know, should I put them all in? You got time. Guess you can just fast forward. Let me just get them in position at least. Just shot three away already. Yeah, I'm not a big fan of those. Just touch it and it fires. I prefer a button. Just make sure I get the... Okay. I was just wondering if you could put it back to front accidentally or something. There we go, that's it. Just find all those other fired missiles. Yeah, that's pretty cool. I think it'd be hard to find a used one of these with all the missiles still intact. So yeah, I would think it would grip pretty good, but maybe in time it'll loosen up a bit. But Yeah, I hoped it would have moved a lot more freer than that. Let's put them all in. It's not going to look complete without it. But I think I've lost one already. Oh. You gotta be kidding me. It's too funny. So I think I found all the ones that have misfired. See, I got this because I gotta have something to attack my Republic gunships. One doesn't want to stay in. Getting there. So yeah, the acolytes. Yeah, I know a guy, and he was raving about it, and he's not even into Star Wars, so that's one good recommendation. This one's spring. Does not seem to be working. Huh. I think there's something wrong with the spring in that one. Okay, so that's all the firing ones. All the rest is supposed to just be for storage. So these should be simple. What it is? It's these 4 rows. Yeah, I was thinking it was those ones. That's why there's no spring in that one. Nearly there. Just wondering if I did pick up all those misfires. Oh, we're going to be searching on the floor in a minute. No, that's safe. 2 more left. Sweet. Hurrah! It's complete. Nice. Let's take a quick browse of this pamphlet. Yeah, 30th anniversary. Wow. Yeah, I never did have that one. I skipped those. And those. Still got 2 of those. I didn't get that one. I think I got most of those. Unleashed. I think I got something from that. But none of those. I like these old catalogues. Let the Clone Wars begin. Yeah, I just wish it moved a bit better. Guess it's more of a just put it in place, part of the scene. But yeah, playability. Actually, no, it's working pretty good now. I think maybe it was me pushing down too hard. Maybe just do it relatively lightly. It almost works. It's okay. Quick look from behind, all the missiles in place. Another misfire. Pretty nice. That's something to look forward to, eh? Another 100 twist ties to undo. But no, I really want to get the original out and get them side by side. So this was just a practice of getting him out of the box, and that'll be the real thing. until my next Star Wars collection video, may the Force be with you.